Okay guys, today very amazing, super easy chicken dish. Today I will teach you how amazing, super fast cook this dish. This is chicken and calling tabak chicken. Don't ask me what that means, I don't know, but dish is amazing and super fast. Cooking about 30 minutes. Cooking, not making. What we need? Chicken for that. We need Greek yogurt. We need spicy for chicken. We need garlic. We need garlic press. And we need some fire. And of course, we need most important plate, big plate. How we cooking? First, we open chicken. And should wash it. Okay guys, now it's very important because chicken in UK hairy and we should fire it. Yeah. Even this place have usually more hair, as well leg, but here you can see easily, and of course wing. Now we turn another side and start. Our target is to burn small hair, which one can be everywhere. If you see leather like that, you should remove it because they not will be burned. Okay guys, now we use these spices. We don't need them all. Just spread on the chicken. As well garlic. We smash some garlic. We use not sharp side, don't worry.
And why do we use sharp side?
Not use sharp side.
Why?
Because we don't want to destroy knife. And now it's last ingredient. We use yogurt. You just take spoon and put yogurt.
Is it not too muddy?
No, you don't have another one. And now we start mixing all spices, all garlic around the chicken. Давай. And now guys, we cut chicken half. And I use absolutely different knife. Which one? I'm not very care about this because we will cut bones and not make him bad. We cut only front. That's it. Just half. And put some yogurt and spices inside. This is very important. If you have time, you can marinate a little bit like that chicken. But we will place it on the pan and start cooking. Now we put little bit oil on the pan and place chicken and cover it with the plate. And now put on the fire. And guys, biggest feature of this dish, we should place something heavy on the top, because actually we will press chicken. Put inside water pan this pot, but not put too much because plate can break down. Just half we place here, and when will be hot pan we leave for 15 minutes. After we turn another 15 minutes and chicken should be ready. And now we understand that chicken start cooking. We hear from the noise and steam start going. That means we need put fire little bit low. I think on so like 8, and we should take time for 15 minutes, and skin will be crispy, and after we should turn on another side and more 15 minutes. As well, I want to mention, very lot depends on the size of chicken, because we use medium chicken. If you use large or extra large, time can be different. Just need more cook, but temperature try not keep high, because in sauce we have garlic and we have yogurt, and they can little bit burn. That means you should control, but I strongly not recommend you to open, because inside it's steam, and this steam it's cooking. That means follow your sense, but actually it's inside its steam is not should be very much burning. See you in 15 minutes. Something new. This is cabbage salad, which one very popular in my country, and yes, this is not cauliflower. Okay, what ingredient we need? We need cabbage, we need paprika, we need salt, we need little bit sugar, but sugar very small, and olive oil. No, and parsley to make salad more nicer. And as I teach you in previous video, but I show you again how to cut cabbage nice, thin and beautiful. This is very important. Okay guys, come here, I show you. First cabbage half, after cut like that, and start cutting stripes. We have very super small piece of the cabbage. I don't know, usually we have bigger. Guys, we cut only leaves. This root we're not cutting and not using. You see how it looks like. Again, hold here and start cutting. For example, if you have like that, you can cut like that, or just hold and start spinning. Nice, beautiful. Now put this here. Paprika we cut middle and taking out and wash seeds under water. Okay, we cut this paprika long. Long stripes. Like that. And this one as well half and cutting like that. It's almost all ready. Now we take green peas. And I will use secret technique to open. Oh, it's done from second time. Now, most important, here is cabbage and we should put some salt and very little bit sugar, very little bit. Now we put some olive oil and start squashing. Our target is make cabbage more soft. And juice little bit go out and cabbage became more yummy as well. Oil, sugar and salt go inside and make amazing flavor of the cabbage. Time to put paprika and put green peas. To put green peas we use some amazing spoon with holes. We put about half tin. Yeah, green peas have two types. One is very sweet and I prefer this one. Another, it's not very like a natural juice without any sugar, but I prefer more sweet because this make amazing flavor of salad. As well, when we put this ingredient, we cannot smash and crush. We cannot crush this salad. We just should take the spoon and mix it. "15 minutes gone and we now taking out this one and moment of truth. We will see what's happened with the chicken. We put on the side, we use fork and slowly, without rushing, try little bit lifting. We pierce two biggest places and start turning. And we lost one wing. But now we take the plates, again cover and put back pot and leaving for another 15 minutes, after which one should be ready. See you guys in 15 minutes. 15 minutes gone. Now chicken should be ready. Now we open and we'll see. We checking to make sure it's not stuck. Stick to the bottom, pierce, and be careful because can break down half. Dish is ready. Super amazing, super fast, super cool. It's chicken, looks like grill, inside very juicy, but as I said before, size is medium. Now our tester will try it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
What?
Grab everything because you want all your vitamins or vitamins, depends on how you say it. Well, it's just the textures just work really well together. The oil combines the whole dish, and what's it called, the paprika, the pepper, adds that nice, what's it called, overwhelming flavor, which, what's the word, overwhelms the dish with flavor, and that is what's a key part of this dish. Also, together, combined, I feel like it's perfect, but there's always things that we could improve, like a drink. Well, we don't have drinks, so, but without a drink, let's say we rated it, I would say it's a good, solid 9, because there are some things that still can lead to improving, but I don't think my review matters. I think your review matters more, so you definitely have to try it out.